3 clouds. Oh, I imagine this like really light blue. Yeah. This is the last of my 80 artworks, of the digital artworks. From the 80 artworks, I still have some paintings to do, but I've got this epic idea. I want to do like a giraffe and like cut in half and like exploding, kind of like a party popper. I don't know which giraffe to use. This one's probably the best. It's the latest. All right. Okay, now I can start. I'm gonna keep that. I needed this in the last artwork, but whatever, the moon's in a laser now, so. I want spots. Little spots. I want that sky that I made. I'm gonna use this for everything. Oh, I nearly forgot. Okay. 3 clouds. One's ugly. Okay, some shit like that. Giraffe head. Oh, I imagine this like donut town? Here it is. Alright, I want all the little things. Okay. Oh no. Milk. I'm just guessing. I don't really know where these are. Yeah, alright, this works, this works. Yeah, red. I don't have any donuts here. I really like this blue. Yeah, green blue. Really light blue. Yeah. Done. And that's the artwork. I love this artwork. I think it's fantastic. I'm rebuilding my website using code, and I've created a parallax using this artwork and a couple others because it's a really cool new website that I'm creating. Check out my website. It's not cool yet. Maybe it is in the future when you see this. But yeah, love this artwork. I'm a big fan. It got no attention on Instagram, but to be frank, I think I'm chatter banned. So yeah, if you want to see a still image of the artwork, check it out on my website. There's a direct link there. If you feel like supporting me, I've got a Patreon or buy me a coffee if you really enjoyed the artwork. Or, you know, like maybe click like so that other people can see the artworks being created as well.